guys, it's Friday. Yay. It's Friday. It is 12:50 and I am on my way to work. No makeup. I had a morning. I woke up with a migraine, and so just tried to stay in bed for a while and see if I could beat it. And I'm feeling better. I'm just running a few hours late. So I did not make anything to bring with me for lunch today. What I have right now is this iced coffee. So this is the Starbucks cold brew, and it's really good. It's really good. So this is cold brew, 0 smart points because it's just coffee. There's no sweetener, there's no creamer. I added my fat-free half and half, so I have 4 tablespoons of fat-free half and half for 1 smart point. And yes, I'm okay with that with my intermittent fasting because it seems to work okay for me still. So that's what I'm drinking right now. It's really good, but the bad thing about iced coffee is that I drink it so fast. It's gone, like gone super fast. So I've got that, and then I brought with me, instead of Teamy Tea for later, I have this Spindrift sparkling water. It is a grapefruit sparkling water, also 0 smart points. No artificial sweeteners, I think. It says sparkling water and real squeezed fruit. And it is, oh, it has 17 calories. I wonder if it has any points. How very interesting. I think I just kind of assumed that all sparkling waters and seltzer waters, even the flavored ones, were 0 points. We'll see. I will have to calculate that sucker up. Anyway, I'm probably going to try and hold off on my intermittent fasting, hold off eating until about 4 o'clock, because since I've been sleeping all morning, I really, you know, my body's not really ready to take food at any point anytime soon, so I can push the fasting portion at least another hour. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I will probably head over to Subway for lunch and just grab a sandwich because that sounds really darn good. So a Subway 6-inch turkey sandwich is 6 smart points. Not bad. It's all in the bread because the deli meat is 0, all the vegetables are 0. I get it with just mustard. So not bad for a nice, refreshing, filling sandwich. And that is my morning so far. That is my Friday. I don't plan on doing anything exciting today. I kind of still want to hit the gym, especially since I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but it depends on how my head feels and if I can take the pounding. So I mean, actually, even if I don't run, it would kind of be nice to head to the gym and even just walk on the treadmill, because I need to listen to my audiobook. Since I had to re-download it, I am a little bit behind. So I really need to get in some time with the audiobook, and maybe I can listen to part of that at work today also. But I have a very abbreviated work day, and I'm sure I have tons of stuff to do. So I will be working most of the day. And that's it for now. So I'll check in with you guys on my way to Subway, unless, of course, I change my mind and do something different for lunch. Gosh, I just remembered there is this fruit stand a little ways down from my work, and that actually sounds really good and really refreshing as well. So I don't know, we'll see what I feel like around 4 o'clock. The sandwich still sounds pretty good too, so I'll let you guys know what I decide, and I'll show you what it looks like. Bye. Okay, so I'm not super hungry, so I got just a mini sandwich, which is half of a 6-inch. It's a little baby sandwich. It's a little 3-inch baby sandwich, but it still costs $4.50, so it's kind of ridiculous. I might as well have just got the 6-inch and paid what, like maybe $1 more, if that. That's annoying, but I'm not super hungry, so I don't need to eat a big giant sandwich, and I'm also going for dinner at a friend's directly after work, so I don't need to be eating a lot. I'm gonna go eat this and enjoy it and drink the rest of my One Smart Point grapefruit sparkling water. Not gonna be buying that brand again.